It's kind of small, but you can make it bigger. Right, it's funny, right? So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to open a document and then you're going to go under tools. And under tools, you're going to choose voice typing. And then you're going to write a paragraph, a long paragraph with your voice. And then you're going to go back and fix the mistakes because when you do voice typing, it often makes mistakes, puts wrong words in, makes the wrong punctuation. So let me just go ahead and show you how to do it because I think this this JPEG is kind of hard to see. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a document and name it Why You Know Use Grammar. Open up that document. You need your own document, guys. Go ahead and open a document. Name it You Know Use Grammar. Get off the vocab. Okay, so once you do that, guys, you're going to go ahead and go to Tools. And you want to go all the way down to this one that says Voice Typing. And you want to click on it. And then this little microphone is going to show up on the left. Open a document. Okay, go to Tools. Choose Voice Typing. And then you should have a microphone on the left. Okay, so this is a tool that you guys can use if you don't like typing, or if it's sometimes just easier to say your answer than to type it out. It's a nice little tool to use. I particularly like using it when I have to copy something from somewhere else because I can just read it and then it'll say it correctly. So what your assignment is going to be is to use voice typing, just like I'm doing, and to write a paragraph using your voice only. Should be kind of a longish paragraph, maybe like 8 sentences or so. You can write about what your day's been like, or how your morning was, or whatever you really want to write about. But once you get, maybe half a page of text, then you can stop. And then what you're going to do for your assignment is you're going to go over and you're going to check all the grammar and all the punctuation and all the capitalization, and you're going to fix it. And so, what I want you to do once you get your paragraph written, you're going to copy the paragraph that you write with your voice, and then you're going to paste it underneath on the document and correct the second paragraph so I can see that you made the corrections. Okay? Make sure